Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's our pleasure to be back on stage here at FinovateEurope in front of such an amazing audience of banking experts. I'm Gregor Biren, CEO, and on the demo table is Slavko Milojevic, Director Product. We are from Innova, the company behind the digital banking platform Fintense. Today we want to showcase you how we enable banks to deliver personalized banking experience based on data and easily managed by the administration cockpit of our platform. Slavko, let's start the demo. So let's all think about Kate. Kate is 27 years old. She is actually a digital native. She's a young professional, always online, and lives and breathes digital in private and in business life. Unfortunately, her bank does not recognize that when it comes to her banking experience. I mean, the web or the mobile banking application. So Slavko logged in with her internet banking account, and we see how it looks like. It's like standard for all customers in the bank. It's not really fancy design and very limited functionality, just accounts overview, some transaction. So let's change that, because the bank has much more details about her, and let's actually show you how your digital and tech experts could do that with our admin cockpit. Slavko plays the product owner of the bank, and he's logging into our admin cockpit, which is actually the back end which allows to configure and administrate nearly the entire application. It's about user authentication, changing workflows, creating digital products, reporting, and the customer analytics. So let's look into the customer analytics, which is now the case for today. We start running that engine, and that engine is actually helping us to get into segmentation, user experience, layer assignments, and actually helping us to understand more about the customers. So what Slavko did, the engine was running in the backend. We created first segments, young professionals, pensioners, which are actually highlighted even here on the nice dashboards. So by selecting one segment, we also differentiate between primary and secondary account of the customer. You can actually see how even banks' profit is changing. And since we picked a young professional, we see that this is a very highly profitable business for the bank and a good category of customers. We also see that which products are in use, so which segment of your clients are using which of your banking products. We see actually from where in the city, in the state, in the country they are logging in, so we have geolocation information. And this is already something which is very helpful, but still not good enough. So we want to go one level down in micro-segmentation, and that's why we created a so-called digital banking score. A score the bank is defining based on age, income, transaction volumes, products used, and actually in addition to this young professional segment, we are creating micro-segments. One segment would be here, digital native or hybrid user or digital newcomer. And also for that, we have actually a nice dashboard with more insights for you. So we could now select the age, because Kate was 27. So let's select age 27, young professionals, and look into digital natives. You see charts are changing. We have even calculated the digital engagement rate, which actually gives insight about how many minutes per week, per month, per day your customers are spending on online channels, what's their session time, so how much can you really interact with them, when during the day, is it early morning, late evening, or during the lunchtime they're interacting with you. And key, what you see here on the right down is actually which features are in use. So what is the heat map of your products? Where are they clicking on your mobile and web channels? And we see here it's about account balance, saving goals, that's a PFM feature, fast pay, so fast transactions, and personal finance management. So let's use that insight and assign now a user experience template to Kate so that her look and feel of internet banking is changing. She's currently in the default layout, like many others, but now let's move her to digital natives, young professional, and let's just adjust the age down to 24, that she is also covered. By doing that and updating actually her and the entire segment, she receives in the next login a completely new banking experience. So let's see if you recognize the difference. Slavko, please log in again as Kate. So what you see is color changed, a bit different user experience layout, but what is the key? You see now which products and main features are available for her, like fast pay, saving goals, and if you see just the menu bar on the left, you actually see that she has now many more products which are more like for a digital native, which are more like for her. So this is actually what our data engine from the back was orchestrating, and with our administration cockpit, your digital product owner can actually seamlessly assign together with the marketing and the business team to really provide personalized experience, not only for the digital native segment, but for any of your customer segments. So let's recall, we presented how you can actually use and leverage on data, which all of you bankers do have, how you can actually create a personalized banking experience, and how you can win new customers and increase your Net Promoter Score. We, with Fintense and Innova, we are helping banks from different sizes, microfinance institutes. We enable them to deliver seamless customer engagement across all the digital channels. Opti-channel, omni-channel, we are very much for innovating the banking experience based on data. Last year we presented augmented reality with Buy Now, Pay Later. And we are very focused on, that's what Slavko is presenting now, digital products and end-to-end process automation. So we help to automatize the onboarding process, we help to implement digital lending, digital mortgage, so that's all done by our platform. So now, if you have time today or tomorrow, we have our booth out there, and we would be very happy to go into more details of that case or to explain a bit more about our entire platform. If you don't find time, please follow us online on LinkedIn, sign up to one of our next webinars. So we're also quite active here, sharing customer insights. But please vote for us for best of the show today, and looking forward to see you today or tomorrow. Thank you.